Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we are covering the examples and solutions, and the previous lecture we had started the economics part. Okay, we had covered the 15th questions, we revised something new, we have learned something new, and we had revised something new. Okay, in this lecture we are going to do the same thing. Either we will learn the new things or we'll be revising the things which we had already covered in the previous lecture. Okay, so with these notes, let's start this lecture. Today's first question we have is Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act in India aims to regulate monetary policy, control inflation, manage fiscal deficit and debt levels, promote exports. 40 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Time's up. Correct answer is C. Basically, this act, which is short known as FRBM, okay, it was passed in the year of 2003 for intergenerational equity. For intergenerational equity. Okay. And what does the term intergenerational equality means? So basically, it means all the resources should be shared to next generation, which will be held by previous ones. Okay, it simply means that if one generation, suppose our generation having some resources, economical, financial resources we have, so all these resources should be shared with the generations who will be upcoming. Okay, so this is means by intergenerational equity. So FRBM was basically drafted to promote the intergenerational equity. Okay, now how does the FRBM support the intergenerational equity? Basically, it deals with external debt factor. Debt is basically, you can say, the liability or a loan. Any amount which has been borrowed from outer sources and the government is liable to repay it is basically the external debt. Okay, so simply means that government should not borrow this much of external debt, that all the resources what we have today will be on auction tomorrow. Okay, suppose let's take an example. If we have financial resources of rupees 100, okay, so it means that if we have external debt of 10, 20, 30, 50, then we are fine. We are fine till this debt is low. But if we have 100 rupees and we have a debt of 200 rupees, now what will happen? Our resources will be auctioned fully, still we have to pay rupees 100 because we have taken more than what we have. Okay, that's why 3% of GDP is fixed as the external debt. Like the government could only borrow from the outer factors up to the 3% of the GDP. Once this 3% is crossed, then the government is not allowed to buy more from the outer sources as per the FRBM Act. Okay. Now I hope you have got the concept. Let's move forward. Second question we have, what is the main function of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI in short? Regulating the banking sector, regulating the stock market and protecting investors' interests, controlling inflation, promoting foreign direct investment, FDI in short. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Regulating the stock market and the protecting investors' interest. So basically, if we talk about the Stock Exchange Board of India, or SEBI in short, it was established in the year of 1980 as a non-statutory body. It means that it does not have its own staff, own rules and regulations, and it is totally dependent upon the government. Okay, but it was the year of 1992 when it was declared as an autonomous body. Autonomous body. Okay, which means that now it's have its own staff, own rules and regulations, and its own working framework. Okay, so these are the amenities and you can say the services provided to the SEBI after 1992. Okay, now my question is, what do you mean by the stock market? What do you mean by it? Basically, stock market is a platform where you can buy and sell shares of companies. Okay, so the stock market is basically a platform where one can buy and sell companies' shares. Okay, now the question is, what do you mean by the word share? What is the meaning of share? Let's understand it. Suppose if I am doing some business and I required rupees 100 crores for some further operation or investment. Okay, now it is hard to having a customer who is having 100 crores and willing to invest in your business. It is totally hard. So what I did, I divided this 100 crores into 10 parts of 10 crore each. Okay, so the each part having value of 10 crore is become share, or you can say total I have 10 shares. Okay, one share is equal to rupees 10 crores. So that's how the companies divided the amount into the parts, and each part is declared as a share. The person who will pay 10 crore and buy the one part will be declared as the shareholder. Okay. And all these activities basically done in two areas. First is Bombay Stock Exchange. And second one is National Stock Exchange. Okay, and SEBI is basically designed for this particular thing. Now I think you have got an idea. Let's move forward. Third question we have goods and services tax GST is direct tax levied on income, indirect tax levied on goods and services, tax levied on international trade, tax levied on luxury goods. Very easy question. I think 20 seconds is more than the enough time to give answer. And your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Indirect tax levied on goods and services. Basically, I had told you GST was introduced in the year of 2017. Okay, basically it was introduced to eradicate the indirect taxes and combine only one tax for all the goods and services. Okay, so remember these details. Now let's move forward. Fourth question we have, which of the following is a government welfare program aimed at providing subsidized food grains to eligible beneficiaries? First is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega in short. Second is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Third is Public Distribution System, PDS. Fourth is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is C. So the PDS is basically introduced to counter the food inflation and protect the you can say the poor people. All right, and if it's asked like which ministry releases the PDS or covers the PDS, then it is Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution is basically the nodal agency which handles the PDS. And PDS is basically handled by both the central and the state government. Okay. So basically, prime role of central government is to hold the food in storages and provide it to the states. It is the role of central government, whereas the state government is required to identify the beneficiaries. All right. So remember these details. Fifth question we have, Monetary Policy Committee MPC in India is responsible for first A, formulating fiscal policy, B, implementing agriculture reforms. C. Regulating banking reforms. D. Formulating and implementing monetary policy. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is D. Formulating and implementing the monetary policy. Basically, if we talk about the MPC, then it is the Committee of Reserve Bank of India, which is also known as RBI in short. Okay, and it is mentioned, Monetary Policy Committee is mentioned in Article 45 ZB of RBI Act 1934. Okay, remember it. If we talk about the composition, then it comprised 6 members total. Okay, out of 6, 3 members are basically the RBI officers. Okay, and the 3 members, other 3 members you can say, are the nominated persons by the government. Okay, so the MPC, which is mentioned in the 45 ZB of RBI Act 1934, comprise 6 members. 3 out of them are the RBI officers and other 3 out of them are the nominated persons by the government. They are responsible for formulating and implementing the monetary policy. Remember, they have 7 days silent period. Okay, before and after the policy. Okay, they have the 7 days silent period before and after the policy. All right. Now, what is the meaning of silent period? Means they do not talk about the policy which is going to be made. Okay, so that you can say the privacy and the confidentiality could be protected. Now, the 6th question we have: which economic theory advocates that government spending can stimulate economic growth during times of recession? Classical economics, Keynesian economics, supply side economics, monetarism. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. The correct answer is B, Keynesian economy. Okay, so let's understand why the answer is Keynesian economy first. First of all, we should understand the classical economics for that. Classical economics is basically defines the capitalism, which simply means that government should not interfere and the market forces of demand and supply will define the market. Okay, whereas Keynesian economics stands that government should spend money in the market so that there would be a money in the pockets of the people, and people will demand the things so that the economy will be grow. Okay. Supply side economics basically means if the government will reduce the tax on the production, so what will happen? The profit margin of the producers will be increased so that they will produce more and more goods. And when they will enlarge the production level, they will require people, they will hire the people, employment will grow, and similarly, the economics will be grow. Okay. Monetarism is basically means that there should be fixed rate of money in the market to protect the economy. Okay. Now we have discussed all these things. Let's understand the question. Government spending can stimulate economic growth. Which of the following term deals with this thing? Keynesian economy, which means government spend money in the market. So the B should be the answer. Okay. Now the seventh question we have. Which of the following is not a measure of economic inequality? Gini coefficient, poverty rate, Lawrence curve, human development index. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Time's up. The correct answer is C. HDI, Human Development Index. Basically, it is the only option which deals about the progressiveness of the human society. Of human society. Alright. All the others are only dealing with the economic inequality. So the answer should be C. Okay. Eighth question we have. Rural Employment Generation Program REGP in India aims to promote self-employment opportunities in rural areas, provide financial assistance to the urban unemployment youth, encourage industrial growth in urban centers, improve agriculture productivity. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Okay. So basically, if we talk about this particular thing, which is known as Rural Employment Generation Program, it was developed by Khadi Village Industrial Commission. Okay, which is known as KVIC in short. Okay, and the year was 1995. The main aim of this particular scheme is to promote self-employment opportunities in rural areas, or 20 million jobs. 2 million jobs. So this was the particular aim. Okay, remember details. Let's move forward. Ninth question we have. Green Revolution in India was mainly focused on increasing the production of, I had told you so many times. So I think 20 seconds is more than the enough time to answer this question. And your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Rice. Okay. So the Green Revolution, which was done in two phases. The phase 1 was started from 1967 to 1966 to 1967. And then the phase 2, which started from 1976 to 1977. Okay, so there were two phases of this particular Green Revolution. Okay, now 10th question we have. Okay, and who is the father of Green Revolution in India? Was M.S. Swaminathan. Alright. Now the 10th question we have. Which of the following organization is responsible for regulating foreign trade in India? Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Finance, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI in short. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Okay. And Ministry of Finance basically look after revenue collection and expenditure. Okay, so remember the difference. Ministry of Commerce and Industries look after the foreign trade. Ministry of Finance basically looks after the revenue collection and the expenditure. 11th question we have. Index of Industrial Production, IIP, in India measures the performance of which sector? Agriculture, manufacturing, services, construction. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Manufacturing sector. Okay. And it was established by which organization? Central Statistical Organization. CSO. In short, since 1956. Alright. Now the 12th question we have. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA, guarantees how many days of wage employment to the rural households in India? 50 days, 100 days, 150 days, 200 days. 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up. 100 days. Okay. To unskilled workers. Remember it. Okay. 13th question we have. It is very, very easy question. Which of the following is an example of direct tax in India? GST, corporate tax, excise duty, custom duty. Very easy. 20 seconds you have, 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up. Corporate tax. Because it is directly imposed on corporates' income. It's directly imposed on corporates' income. Okay, so that's why it's a only example of corporate tax. Direct tax. 14th, we have Project Saksham, launched by the Indian government, aims to promote digital literacy, improve the agriculture sector, enhance road infrastructure, make India a cashless economy. 20 seconds, you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is A. 15th question, we have Jan Dhan Yojana primarily aims to promote sanitation and hygiene, increase financial inclusion, provide health insurance to the poor, improve agricultural productivity. Again, the 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Increase financial inclusion. Basically, it aims to open bank accounts. And which type of bank accounts? Zero balance. Zero balance bank accounts. Alright. So students, in this lecture, we have finished the 15 questions. In the next lecture, we will begin with 15 more questions. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture. Okay, and be ready for the next lecture. With these notes, let's end this lecture and thank you.